What's the relation between board games and programming? And why should you play board games as a programmer? Okay, so in this video we're going to check the reasons why should you play a lot of board games as a programmer. First of all, most of the programmers are introverts or became introverts over time and they don't even know that. And being an introvert causes depression, and depression reduces your life quality, your motivation and energy for work and programming, and also causes more burnouts. Long story short, you will slowly ruin your life. But playing board games makes you be with your family and friends and spend time with them, communicate and interact with them. And this will reduce the possibility of becoming an introvert person and all those other disadvantages. Yeah, you may think that why not playing video games? They are more fun and you can play with your friends at any time even if your friends are away. Online communication itself has a lot of negative impacts, such as stop caring about yourself and lack confidence. Nothing can replace communication in the real world. And another reason for choosing board games over video games is staying the fuck away from the screen and reduce your screen time. And let your eyes rest for a moment. Because as a programmer, you're probably spending too much time staring at your goddamn screen, and this is a serious problem to be worried about. Board games increase your creativity and the power of solving problems. In board games, you have to think, make decisions, and try different strategies, and that really improves your debugging skills. As a programmer, there is a high chance that you're facing a lot of stress in your life and especially at your work. Board games help you have a fun moment with your friends and let your mind become more relaxed. Also, it helps you face stress and try to control it. In board games, you're giving your mind and body healthy opportunities to practice facing stressful situations, so you can develop the coping skills that you need for when you feel stress in the real world. More successful job interviews. In board games such as Secret Hitler, you have to communicate non-stop and do your best using every single word you say to prove yourself to others without any stress and worries, because you're talking to people that you're comfortable with. And this improves your confidence and communicating skills, and you can easily express and prove yourself in job interviews. Anyways, this is the end of this video and thank you so much for watching till the end. Oh, and what is your opinion about this style of video? Did you like it? And what are your suggestions for me to improve my videos? We'd be happy if you share your opinion and suggestions in the comment section. Bye.